Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect your WhatsApp chat to your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be using an embedded widget from Elfsight, which is Squarespace WhatsApp live chat plugin, which you can very easily use for free, and you can create that widget for free without any problems. Now we're going to be embedding this into our site. So first we're going to go ahead and go to our page where we want to set it up. I'll just add a new page for the tutorial's sake. So I'll just create a new blank page, call it WhatsApp. And once that page is created, it's going to open up an empty page, click edit, and then we're going to add a new section. I'm just going to add a blank section, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a block to embed code. Click embed, double click it, select code snippet, go into embed data, and then we can go ahead and create that widget for free. Select the widget, continue with this template, and then you can add that to your website. Now you do need a free account on Elfsight, so once you have it, as you can see, this is what the embed looks like. Click publish, and once that's done, just select the free plan, and then once you're there, just copy the code of the widget right over here. As you can see, you have this green copy code button. Copy it there, click here on add code, paste that code there, and as you can see, the embedded script is disabled while you're editing your site and while you're logged in. So to view it in full, you're going to need to go ahead and log out and actually view your published site, or you can preview it in safe mode and check what that widget looks like. As you can see, currently I have this icon right over here, and you can use it freely on your site just like that, and whenever people click on it, they'll be able to chat live with you on your Squarespace site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.